We retested Friday's open. This is I like how we respected the 1 hour fair value gap, and we just dipped down once twice into the Friday's open, which is interesting because this is exactly the 4065 is exactly Friday's open, and we the candle's low is exactly that. This candle's low is also exactly that, and we have one which is a bit lower, 6475. I have a feeling that smart money already bought here, and this is the market structure shift. 1 minute swing high got taken. We don't need to close above, but we went above, and we left a fair value gap here. Bam. So this is a nice juicy entry here, and if we actually look at the daily chart, we have not taken out yesterday's high. So to me, this looks like still just a Judas swing, and I think they will really send this thing higher. So I'm looking for 410925 as basically target for the day. But it can actually go much higher than that. So there is multiple targets here, but I really like this level here that we just tapped into, and so far we basically came down. We had some back and forth. But I don't think we have formed the anywhere near the daily candle yet, and this high currently is lower than previous day's high, so I think they will absolutely want to take this. And also on the 1 minute, this is relatively equal highs, so actually I will move my TP just above there, and we have our first partial basically at yeah, 5.25, um 5.25 what is it, handles, so basically 21 ticks. After that, yeah, I would move the stop up, and then I would be looking to basically just see if we can catch this. um Maybe we'll leave some more on the table, but yeah, just leave it actually at the top there. Let's see. Yeah. If we compare it with NQ, what have we done on the daily? I don't like NQ so much. See, it did not come down to Friday's low yet. So I don't really have interest in NQ. So I will actually remove all I will just move all the horizontal things into the daily, and everything else I will actually get rid of, and keep it clean like this. Um, yeah, so we did not. This is what I'm saying. We did not come to Friday's low. So open. Yeah. So Friday open. And so yeah, I prefer ES here, so we'll focus on that. We'll look at it as for divergence purposes and things. And I'm still interested. And another thing also, that we actually already ran yesterday high on this one. So I will even remove the alert, alert, yeah. And actually, I will label this one as green because my bias now shifted to looking for buys, and we hold an active position on the buy side here on ES, and NQ is a bit of a no man's land right now. So we will maybe monitor the M15 here, and here the 3 minutes should suffice. Um, but yesterday's high, so I can already say exchange taken. So we know what's up. It doesn't mean that I'm not. I'm more bullish on this as well. I'm just not interested in trading it, right? So we'll keep looking for what's happening on ES. So we know the levels we are looking for, so we can basically just switch into like an M15 and see what's happening. So basically, this is also like type of an order block, and yeah, balance price range here that we hit, but it's also mainly Friday open and age one FVG. So I'm not looking at this. I'm looking at these 5 minute fair value gaps just as speed bumps. And yeah, I'm more interested on the upside. So let's see if we can get this first partial target, and then yeah, we'll just wait and see basically what's happening. So I will just now hide this, so we're not really interested in divergence here, and we'll just pay attention, full attention on what's going on here. So it's also nicely coinciding with a 1 minute fair value gap here. This to me looks like basically a proportion candle. So this we have if this is originating OB, mean threshold of that is basically here, and or if you look at this actually, this OB here, we tapped it, we left a gap. So we retraced, and this is what we entered on, and now I'm looking for more upside. So basically this is proportion candle because it's nested OB here, and look, because the reaction here. So I like the fact that this is now also an OB and reacted off the main threshold of this candle. So I like more expansion to the upside. So when it hits this level, I will actually move the stop up. Already, yeah, it doesn't need to be all the way down, so we just move it to the low of this order block. And yeah, so let's measure this. So from here to here, yeah, that's actually quite a bit more than 5 handles. So 6.25. So not bad, not bad. If we can get that, yeah, would be great. So if you think about it, um, we are risking how much basically 1.75 handles for 6, which is already outstanding risk reward ratio. And yeah, when we tap this level, I will just basically I will just basically yeah, move it to the low of this candle, so basically break even. Now what is good when for this setup is that we already cleaned this lows here, so we had the sell side run, and then we tapped Friday open. So this is, to me, this is so far I look at Friday is open basically as low of the day. This aggressive run down, for sure this get people interested in trying to short this. But the way I look at it is, I think stops are here. This relative equal highs in 1 minute is just asking for itself. So we can write BSL resides here. So we focus there, yeah. Nowhere else. And the fact is also that it's 11. So this is 12 o'clock. So this can make some run already. before people go for well, before the lunch starts. I don't know what this is. Ah, yeah, it's never mind. This is just the fair value gap on NQ. So I'm curious to see yeah, more upside here, and basically I want to see down close candles to be yeah, down close candles traded through to the upside. One obstacle could be here, well, not like an obstacle, but a speed bump again. The this orange line is the weekly Sunday weekly open, and we see basically the beautiful shorting opportunity here around 10:30, which I missed. Just look at this reaction. This is not a coincidence that all these candles highs, what is it, 4084, what is this candle's high, 4084, this candle's high, 4084, this candle's high, 4084. It's just no way that it's a coincidence that all these candles highs converge on the Sunday's weekly open gap high. And now I think we are just getting tapped here soon. So there you go. That's now 25 in the bag, and now we are accelerating to the upside. So I will move the stop to break even, as is for our plan. Now we have no risk on this trade basically, and we want to see yeah, more expansion. And as I said, these fair value gaps come from the 5 minute, which are not there that I want to short at, but this is just that. I know which might cause a speed bump on the upside, and also they can be utilized as launch points. So basically, once we trade through, and if we start to go sideways and come back down and respect these levels, then basically it means that we could have it becomes a balanced price range, it becomes an inversion level, and then we could start pushing higher. So my focus is there on the buy side still, and we will see what we get. Anyway, most of the we already paid ourselves, so basically we just hold until 4 p.m. and yeah, there you go. Hope you enjoy this, and yeah, looking forward for the next session soon. Thank you.